Midnight skies are calling out my name, rolling down the window in the rain. Engine roaring loud beneath the hood, doing everything we knew we should. City lights are fading in the rear, nothing left to hold us.
Nothing here, feel the bass dropping on the floor. Give me heavy beats and give me more. Neon shadows flashing in the night. Everything is glowing, super bright.
Rubber burning down the empty street, every single heartbeat in the beat. Shifting gears and stepping on the gas. Nothing in this world is built to last. Looking through the mirror at the past.
Moving forward fast, moving so fast.
Streets are wide and open to the wind. This is where the journey has to begin. Chrome wheels spinning in the dark, leaving every worry and its mark. Music bumping louder through the box, standing proudly on the heavy rocks.
Feel the bass dropping on the floor. Give me heavy beats and give me more. Neon shadows flashing in the night. Everything is glowing, super bright.
Headlights cutting through the misty haze, living out our wild and golden days. No one can stop us on this road tonight. Everything is feeling pure and right. Power in the engine and the sound.
Wheels are spinning safely on the ground, 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 ground.
Tires humming softly on the track, never thinking once about turning back. Foot is heavy pressing on the floor, leaving all the static at the door. The rhythm takes control of every part, beating like a giant iron heart.
Feel the bass dropping on the floor. Give me heavy beats and give me more. Neon shadows flashing in the night. Everything is glowing, super bright.
Windows down and let the evening breeze, moving through the city with such ease. Every corner brings a brand new thrill. Going down the highway, standing still. Energy is building in the air, music playing loudly everywhere. Destination nowhere in the dark, driving purely on a sudden spark. Reaching for the limits of the night.
Everything is bathed in amber light.
Now the final mile is coming near.
Savoring the moment, crystal clear. Feel the bass dropping on the floor. Give me heavy beats and give me more. Neon shadows flashing in the night. Everything is glowing,
Super bright.
dum 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 dum. Trunk is open, showing off the gear. Speakers built to shape the atmosphere. Amplifiers glowing in the night. Every single light is shining bright, burning bright. Subwoofers ready for the heavy drop, heavy drop. Nothing in the world can make us stop. Feel the bass hitting in your chest. This is where the audio is best. Turn it up and let the speakers blow. Everybody watching on the glow, 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 glow. Vibration traveling across the street. Feel the pressure building in the beat. Windows rattling in every frame. Playing out a wild and heavy game. Volume turning higher by the dial. Rocking out in true and epic style. Custom boxes built to handle power. Playing heavy tracks for every hour. Cables organized and shining clean. Built to be the loudest ever seen. Tuning frequencies to hit you deep. Promises that speakers always keep. Feel the bass hitting in your chest. This is where the audio is best. Turn it up and let the speakers blow. Everybody watching on the glow, 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 glow. Low-end frequencies are taking charge. Woofers in the back are extra large. Air is moving heavy with the sound. Pushing every person to the ground. Energy is pulsing through the wire. Lighting up the night like open fire. Sound waves rolling out within the wave. Showing all the courage that we gave. Beats are dropping heavy on the floor. Leaving everybody asking more. Audio perfection in the mix. Fixing up the silence with the fix. Feel the bass hitting in your chest. This is where the audio is best. Turn it up and let the speakers blow. Everybody watching on the glow, 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 glow. Car is shaking right into its place. Power supply working at its peak. Never letting any voltage leak. Decibels are rising to the top. Ready for the ultimate big drop. Final track is playing loud and clear. Conquering the testing atmosphere. Trunk is closed but still the echoes ring. Hear the mighty sound system sing. Masterpiece of audio is done. Standing underneath the rising sun. Feel the bass hitting in your chest. This is where the audio is best. Turn it up and let the speakers blow. Everybody watching on the glow, 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 glow.
Parking lot is filling up with cars underneath the canopy of stars. Friends are gathering to share the night. Everything is looking clean and right. Music playing softly in the back. Waiting for the rhythm and the track. Come along and join the weekend crew. We have got a lot of things to do. Music playing loud into the space. Smiles on every single friendly face. Barbecue is smoking on the side. Everyone is rolling with their pride. Laughter echoing across the square. cherish in the heart. Never wanting this to ever part. Come along and join the weekend crew. We have got a lot of things to do. Music playing loud into the space. Smiles on every single friendly face. Stories being told about the past, hoping that this feeling needs to last. Cold drinks raised in celebration high, underneath the open midnight sky. Community is strong and standing tall, answering the universal call. Rhythm changing to a faster pace, joy shining clearly on each face. Moving to the center of the crowd, feeling all the energy so proud. Hands are reaching upward to the air, knowing that our friends are gathered there. Come along and join the weekend crew. We have got a lot of things to do. Music playing loud into the space. Smiles on every single friendly face. Late night hours slipping out of sight, still we keep on burning through the night. Companionship is all we ever need, following a true and noble creed, bound together by the love of sound. Happiest when we are all around. As the dawn begins to gently break, waking up for everybody's sake. Memories created in the throng, knowing where we permanently belong. Promise that we soon will meet again, brothers in the fellowship of men. Come along and join the weekend crew. We have got a lot of things to do. Music playing loud into the space. Smiles on every single friendly face. Working hard to working hard to get the life I dream. Nothing ever came as easy as it seemed. Now the heavy gold is on my chest, proving I am better than the rest. Keys are dangling proudly in my hand, driving through the center of the land,
Shining bright with everything we earn. Look at all the lessons we have learned. Gold is heavy hanging on the chain, driving fast across the asphalt lane.
Watches ticking, diamonds in the face, every single luxury in place. Bottles popping high into the air, showing all the wealth beyond compare. Success is looking lovely from the top, never planning on a single stop.
Karma, tailored, shopping, looking clean, living out a movie on the screen. People watching as I step aside, overflow. Shining bright with everything we earn. Look at all the lessons we have learned. Gold is heavy hanging on the chain. Driving fast across the asphalt lane.
Custom wheels are spinning on the street, matching every rhythm of the beat, imported luxury inside the ride. Nothing left to cover up or hide. Status is a symbol of the fight, shining like a diamond in the night.
Accounts are looking healthy and secure, building up a future that is pure. Generosity is matching up with wealth, toasting to prosperity and health.
Every investment paying off today, watching all the worries fade away.
Shining bright with everything we earn. Look at all the lessons we have learned. Gold is heavy hanging on the chain. Driving fast across the asphalt lane.
Walking through the city like a king, owning every valuable thing. Respect is earned through dedication sheer, standing strong and pushing out the fear. Legacy is building stone by stone, standing proud upon the golden throne.
7 closing chapters of the poverty, stepping into total majesty. Gold will never lose its special shine. Victory is permanently mine.
Looking at the empire that I made, ready for the future, unafraid.
Shining bright with everything we earn. Look at all the lessons we have learned. Gold is heavy hanging on the chain. Driving fast across the asphalt lane. Yo.
Raised inside the alleys of the town, where the heavy pressure tries to drown. Never let them take our pride away, working hard to conquer every day. Streets have taught us how to stand up right, fighting for our dignity and right.
From the neighborhood we rise as one, standing proud beneath the burning sun. Unity is running in our blood, rising like a flower from the mud.
Every corner holds a memory, living out our life and being free. Graffiti painted bright upon the wall, answering the neighborhood's loud call. Brothers walking side by side along, singing out our community song.
We remember where we all began. Every single woman, child and man, sharing what we have and staying true. No matter what the world may try to do.
Local heroes shining in the dark, leaving every generation's mark.
From the neighborhood we rise as one, standing proud beneath the
is at. Music echoing from down the street, matching every heavy marching beat. Culture is the armor that we wear, showing that our spirit still is there.
Challenges are met with steady strength. We're going to the utmost, greatest length, protecting all the people in our zone, never feeling isolated or alone.
Power in the numbers of the crowd, making every single parent proud.
From the neighborhood we rise as one, standing proud beneath the burning sun. Unity's running in our blood,
Rising like a flower from the mud. History is written by the brave, every single life we tried to save.
honoring the elders of the block.
Solid as a granite mountain rock, future generations
Will maintain
everything we struggle.
to obtain, leaving footprints deep into the pave, knowing that we never acted slave.
Brighter is the heart of what we are, shining brighter than a distant star, standing tall and looking to the sky.
Ready for the world to pass us by. From the neighborhood we rise as one, standing proud beneath the burning sun. Unity is running in our blood,
Rising like a flower
from the mud. Speeding down the track into the night, burning rubber in the flashing light.
Needle on the gauge is climbing fast, pedal to the metal built to last. Adrenaline is rushing through the veins, breaking off the heavy safety chains, turning the ignition with the roar, leaving all the quiet at the door.
Speeding down the track into the night, burning rubber in the flashing light. Adrenaline is pumping in the chest, living at a fast and wild request.
Engine howling like a beast unbound. Tires tearing up the dusty ground. Spun around in circles, leaving smoke. Laughing at the limits people spoke. Racing down the straightaway, so clean. Fastest vehicle you've ever seen.
The corner coming fast and holding tight, swerving in the amber sodium light. Master of the steering and the wheel, knowing that the danger is so real. Heart is beating fast inside the cage, turning every minute into rage. Speeding down the track into the night, burning rubber in the flashing light. Adrenaline is pumping in the chest, living at a fast and wild request.
Sparks are flying, scraping on the floor. Daring all the rivals to do more. Passion for the
track into the night. Burning rubber in the flashing light. Adrenaline is pumping in the chest. Living at a fast and wild request.
Cooling down the engine after race. Sweat is dripping gently from my face. Satisfaction filling up the mind, leaving all the slower cars behind. Glory of the winner in the sport, ruling over every single chord.
7 parked inside the garage for the night, resting up until the morning light. Machine is resting silent on the floor,
waiting for tomorrow's engine roar.
Memory of speed will never fade.
Legends of the pavement are all made.
Speeding down the track into the night. Burning rubber in the flashing light. Adrenaline is pumping in the chest. Living at a fast and wild request.
Started with a pocket full of dreams. Nothing was as simple as it seems. Working double shifts into the night, hoping that my future would be bright. Obstacles were standing in the way, trying hard to ruin every day. We survived the struggle and the pain, rising up above the heavy rain. Victory is tasting oh so sweet, standing tall and never taking defeat. Taste can defeat.
Walking through the neon lit arcade, looking at the shadows we have made. Eyes are meeting softly in the crowd, music playing rhythmically then up loud. Sparks are flying instantly between, like a movie playing on the screen. Dancing through the night into the dawn, feeling like this magic is not gone. Attraction pulling heavy like a chain, washing all the lonely out my brain. Smile is shining brighter than the lights, promising us unforgettable nights. Moving closer to the heavy bass, getting lost inside your lovely face. Whispers in the middle of the sound, happiest that we could have been found. Energy is magnetic in the air, reaching out to touch your flowing hair. Rhythm keeping pace with every beat, making every moment feel complete. Step into the center of the floor, holding nothing other than you more. Dancing through the night into the dawn, feeling like this magic is not gone. Attraction pulling heavy like a chain, washing all the lonely out my brain. Seduction in the turning of the head, listening to everything you said. Chemistry is burning like a flame, whispering each other's secret name. Night is young and we are wild and free, sharing in this electric chemistry.
Moments passing swiftly in the dark, leaving deep inside a glowing mark. Holding hands and walking to the car, traveling beneath a guiding star. Audio is playing soft and low, nowhere else that we would rather go. Dancing through the night into the dawn, feeling like this magic is not gone. Attraction pulling heavy like a chain, washing all the lonely out my brain.
City lights reflecting in your eyes, underneath the open velvet skies. Romance in the middle of the noise, listening to all the heavy toys. Connection deeper than the ocean floor,